circumstances enable him to foot the crimes. Mr. Bemba's knowing and willing impact on the crimes Steve submits that Mr. Bemba deserves. Conclusion: for the foregoing reasons, the Chamber sentences Mr. Jean-Pierre Bemba Gombo to a total of 18 years of imprisonment. Orders the deduction of the time Mr. Bemba has spent in detention pursuant to an order of this court, and informs the parties and participants that reparations to victims pursuant to Article 75 of the statute shall be addressed in due course.